Hello and welcome back. This is Azharul Rafy once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create and run a Facebook or Meta ad campaign to promote a post, a video, or a page on the platform. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and let me show you the step-by-step process. So here you go, I'm on my computer screen, and as you can see, I'm visiting my page which I have created the day before yesterday, and so far I have generated 95 followers and 70 likes, and all of those are highly targeted people. Now if I want to show you some of the posts that I have promoted through this page, if I scroll a bit down, you're going to find the post. This is one of the posts which I have uploaded yesterday, and so far this post has generated around 600 interactions from targeted people. And if I want to show you some video examples, this is one of the videos. So if I open this video here, you can see I uploaded the video yesterday, and so far it has generated 11k views from targeted people, and it has generated these interactions. If I want to show you another example of video post, here you go. This one I uploaded 2 days ago, and so far this one has generated 18k views with these interactions. Now it's time to show you the step-by-step process how you can promote your photos, you can promote your videos or page through the Facebook or Meta ad campaign. So let's go. I'm going to cross this out, and after that you're going to find this ads manager option, or you can go by clicking here on Meta Business Suite. So let me click on ads manager, and after that it is going to load the ad manager panel where we're going to see all the actives and inactives ads on our ad manager account. And if you just take a look here, we have got 3 options or 3 sections. The first one is campaign, where we're going to select the objective or goal for the campaign. Then we have got ad sets, from where we're going to select the targeting. We're going to narrow down our targeting. We're going to select the location, people, age, stuff from ad sets. And finally, from the ads option, we are going to create the actual ad. So let's proceed. We're going to click on create now. And after that, you're going to see 6 of these objectives. Depending on your campaign goal, you have to select the objective. For instance, if you want to grow or increase your brand awareness, simply go for awareness. You can also get video views as well. So we have got some other options added here. Simply read and you're going to learn more. If you want to gain traffic, you want to get traffic to your website landing page, then you have got traffic right here. And then you can see what else you can get through the traffic campaign. Then if you select engagement, obviously as name saying, you will get engagement on your post, on your videos. If you select engagement, for instance, you can get video views, you can get post engagement, and sometimes conversions as well. Then depending on your need, you can select leads campaign, you can select app promotion if you want app installation, you can select sales objective as well if you want direct sales from your traffic. So I'm going to select engagement as I want to promote a Facebook post, and after that I'm going to click on continue. And then Facebook is going to suggest us to go with their selection right here, the automation process, but I'm going to go with the manual setup. So I want to control everything. So let's click here and then let's click on continue. And after that, in this page I have to give a campaign name. So for instance, this one is going to be, I'm going to delete new and engagement campaign, and let me type out here test 1 as an example, and I'm going to use this name for ad set and for ad as well. So I'm going to copy this. All right. And after that, if you are creating this ad for some kind of special categories, let's say if you are talking about credit, if you're talking about insurance, then you have to select the special ad category. If you click here, you are going to see the categories. If you can select based on your need, like credit, then employment, housing, and special issues, election stuff. So as our ad is not matching or going under any of these things, so we're going to skip them and keep them as there. After that, we have got campaign details. So basically the buying type is currently set to auction, which is a good option to keep. But if you want, you can go for reservation as well, where you are going to set a specific amount, and based on that, whenever Facebook will find a chance to show ads with that budget, they are going to show your ads. So it's good to keep auction. And after that, the campaign objective, again, we can select the objective from here. If you want to make a change, we can change it right here. So we're going to go with engagement. So obviously we're going to keep this as it is. And after that, we have got A/B testing. You can use this feature to test different copies, different images, different videos for ad campaigns and see which one performs better, and then scale that campaign. All right. So we're going to keep this turn this off as of now. So after that, we have got advantage campaign budget. So we're going to keep this turned off as well. I'm going to click on next now to go for the next step, which is ad set, where we're going to do the targeting. We're going to select the people to whom we want to show our ads to. All right. And after that, we have got this ad set name. So I'm gonna paste the ad set name. Use a name which is meaningful to you so that you can identify them when you have got a long list of ad campaign you already done. All right, after that we have got conversions. So basically you can select what actions you want and where the actions should be. So if you want, you can get message to your messenger app. If you want, you can get interaction on your ad. If you want, you can receive calls by adding a phone number, and you have got many other options. For instance, if you want page likes, you can specifically select this one, and then people who will most likely like your page, they are going to be they're going to see the ads more often or frequently. Then I have got the group option as well if you want to increase group members to your group. All right, so for my case, I'm going to select on your ad so that I want on my ad or my post some likes, comments and shares when possible. All right, after that, here is the option, the engagement type. If you want to promote a video, this is the option that you should keep, the video views. But I'm going to select post engagement so that I want the engagement on the post, not the video views, right? And I'm actually promoting an image for this campaign. After that, we have got the performance goal. If you click here, you can see two other options. So obviously we're going to go with maximize engagement with a post. But if you want, you can go with maximum daily unique reach and maximize number of impressions. So what is a unique view? Unique view means, like let's say you are creating an ad. I'm one of the person who is going to see your ad. That means I am a unique person, but your ad is populating in front of me for several times, let's say 3 times. You are going to receive from me 3 impressions. So I'm one unique user and I'm giving you 3 impressions by seeing 3 times of your ad. Okay, so this is it. I believe I was able to help you understand. Okay, so let's select this one, and after that you have got cost per result goal. This field is optional and we're going to keep this as it is, blank. And after that you have got show more options. So basically you can select when you were charged, so let's keep them as there. And then on the budget and schedule, you can select a daily budget, you can select a lifetime budget. It's good to go with daily budget. And as I'm from an Asian continent or Asian country, I will spend pretty low amount of money, so I'm going to go with only one GBP. But if you want, you can try with increased amount as well. So basically I'd suggest you to start with a minimal budget, so you will see the interactions from people and you will see that the people who are interacting with your page, then analyze their profile. If you see that, yeah, this is the perfect profile, then simply increase the budget and that would work fine. Okay, and basically you can increase the budget anytime. All right, so here we go, the scheduling option. So you can I want to start the ad now, so I'm going to keep this as it is, but if you want to schedule for a later time, simply you can change the date and change the time and it will start showing ads from that specific time. After that, you have got the set in date, but I'm going to keep this running. So when I feel like I should stop the ad, then I will simply go on my business manager and then I will turn the ad off. That's it. So I'm going to keep this as it is. So if you want, you can simply click here and then schedule an in time. All right, after that you have got the budget scheduling. If you want on a certain time, certain date to increase the budget for that specific ad, simply you can do that as well. Simply click here and then you can specify the time and date, and on that time how much you want to spend you can specify and Facebook will work accordingly. After that, you have got ad scheduling. So if you want, you can keep the ad to a certain time period, but I want this ad to be run the whole day. It's perfectly fine. After that, we have got the audience controls option, which is one of the most important section. So basically from here, you are going to select your location. You're going to select your demographics, behavior of your targeted people or the persona. So let me click on edit now right here. And after that, instead of United Kingdom, I'm going to select Bangladesh, where I want to show my ads. So Bangladesh. If you want, you can basically go with a specific city. You want to go with any location that you want to go by. So I'm gonna cross United Kingdom, and after that I'm targeting the whole country, and again you can specify a city. Okay, now let me scroll a bit down, and after that from show more option, I'm gonna select the minimum age 18. No, let's select this one to 20. All right. And after that, if you want, you can exclude some kind of audience from your list, but I'm gonna skip them all. And after that, you have got all language. So basically in Bangladesh, people usually keeps the English language. So let me keep all language other than going for a specific one. So for your case, if you are about to promote a post or video or whatever it is for people, let's say they speak Spanish, they speak German, they speak French, then you can simply click here and then select the language. So after that, you have got advantage plus audience. So in this regard, I'm going to go to the original audience option. So I'm going to click here, and after that, use original audience. And then I'm going to scroll a bit down. We're going to find this option again. Here we go. The location that I have set to Bangladesh, then the age I have selected the minimum as 20. So let's keep 20. And then for the maximum age, I'm going to go for 40. That's working best for me. And for gender, I'm going to select men only, because from my previous ads, I have found out the men or the boys are basically interacting better or performing better for me. Okay, so I'm going to select men. Depending on your situation, your ad, your product, you can simply select all or women or only men. All right, now here is the option where we can narrow the audience down. So for instance, if you just take a look here, I have got a big number of people in estimated audience, but if I want to narrow them down, let's click here. Let's say the product or the post I am making is about YouTube. It's a YouTube course. So I'm going to type out YouTube here, and after that I'm going to select employers. Then I'm going to type out again YouTube, so that people who has job title as YouTube, they are going to see my ad. Just take a look. I have got here 29k to 35k audience, and along with that I'm targeting freelancers. So I'm going to type out freelancer, and let's see, freelancer here, got job title, then freelancer as employer, and after that I'm going to add some of the freelance marketplaces to target people better. So I'm going to type out Fiverr, which is one of the freelance marketplace which is popular in Bangladesh, and after that Upwork. Here we go. And after that I'm going to type out, let's say, freelancer.com. all right, and now if you just take a look, I have got 71,000 to 84,000 audience. So it's narrowed. If you want, you can narrow more. Like if you click here on narrow audience, and if you add something, let's say whatever that you have provided right here on the detailed targeting, they should have this thing must, as you can see, on and must also match. So let's say Fiverr. You can see that the number will decrease to 17,000 to 20,000. So what it is doing, people who has any of these options or any of this information added to their profile, they are being targeted, but they are currently working with Fiverr platform. So basically you are narrowing the selection, so it's going to target the highly targeted people. So I'm gonna simply go with my broad targeting, and I'm gonna proceed from there. All right, so if you want, you can save this audience for future use as well, but I'm gonna skip them, or sorry, I'm gonna skip that thing. So let's select the language. So I'm gonna select all language. That's perfectly fine for me. And if you want Facebook to analyze your targeted people's behaviors and profile, and they're going to promote to more people who are matching with their profile, then simply you can select this option. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this one. I'm totally fine with these numbers and these reach and these interaction on my post. So let's scroll a bit down. We're going to find placement. So by default it is selected to their recommended one, but I don't suggest this. I'm gonna click here on manual placement, and after that, if I scroll a bit down, you are going to find the devices. If you click here, you will find the option to select mobile device or desktop device. So depending on your goal, you can, or depending on the people who you are targeting, if you know about their behavior, you can simply select one of those device category. So for me, both of the platform works, so I'm going to keep them. And after that, I want to show the ad only on Facebook, so I'm going to uncheck Instagram, and then I'm going to uncheck in-stream ads for video, because I am promoting an image, so I don't need this one. But if you are promoting a video, you can simply keep this as it is. So I'm going to skip this. And not only that, inside you're going to find some other options. Read and see what's going to work for you and what's not going to work for you. So for me, the feeds is going to work fine, so I'm going to select feeds. And after that, if I click here, you're going to find Facebook feed, then Instagram feed. I don't need Instagram feed, I don't need Instagram, I don't need Facebook. Basically, I don't need any other options right here. I only need the Facebook feed, and still you can see that they are assuming I'll get 103 to around 300 post engagement on my post. Okay, so let me check if I have got any other option selected. This one is, I'm seeing something, so I'm gonna double check this one. I'm gonna double check. No. Okay, so now I'm fine. I have selected only one option to go, which is Facebook feed. Okay, this is the placement. And after that, if I click here on show more option, you can see you can specifically specify which device the ad should go on. So if I click here on edit, you can see all mobile devices, Android device only, iOS device only. So this works when you are promoting a product or when you are promoting an app. This works best. So basically I'm gonna keep all the mobile devices, and for you this is recommended when to select this one only when connected to Wi-Fi. If you are promoting a video through your ad campaign, make sure you are selecting this one. A research shows that people, when they are connected on Wi-Fi, they most likely watch your video longer. So if you don't select this one, most probably sometime you will see people are watching your video for 10 seconds, 5 seconds, and they're getting off. So make sure you are selecting this one. It will help performing your ad better. And after that, the brand safety and suitability. So I don't actually look over those things, so I'm gonna keep them as there. And now it's time to go for the next option, which is creating the ad itself. So let's click here on next, and after that we have got the ad name. So I'm gonna paste the ad name again, engagement test 1, and after that the ad is not a partnership ad, we know, so we're gonna keep this as it is off. And after that we have to identify the page, so I'm gonna identify my page from here, which is here. And after that, if I scroll a bit down, we're gonna find the ad setup, so we're gonna select the option. So basically you can create a new ad from here, from the scratch, or you can select an existing post, or you can use Creative Hub Mockup from Facebook's options. So I'm gonna go with use existing post, and after that we're gonna scroll a bit down. We're going to find this option, choose the post. So I'm gonna select here on change post. So basically by default they have selected another post which I don't want to promote. So I'm gonna select and click on change, and then I'm gonna select the last post that I have made on my page, and then click on continue. And after that it is going to show you the preview. Let it be loaded, and if you just take a look here, you can see that the ad is fully optimized. So here we go, we are seeing the preview right here. And after that you have got these options where you can basically add some extra text for the ad. You can add, let's say, call to action button. So for instance, if you click here, here's the call to action. If you click here on change, you can see some other button options will be appearing, like call now, get quote, learn more, send message, shop now, send WhatsApp message. So I'm gonna keep send message as of now. And after that, if you just scroll a bit down, you're going to find this message template. So people will see some templated message. For instance, here we go, some of the messages you can see. I'm interested, can you tell me more? Then are you available to chat? Can I learn more about your background and stuff like that? So basically you can change this. Can I learn more about the course, for an example? And here we go, I have just updated. Let's click on save. And if you want, you can create new, so that you can create a new template. And now if I scroll a bit down, you're gonna find this tracking option. Let me see. Here we go, the tracking option. So if you are getting traffic to your website, make sure you enable Facebook pixel, so that the pixel will collect the data. They will look over the activities of people, and depending on the activities, you can retarget, or you can do a retargeting ad in a future campaign to generate sales. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this because I am simply taking or getting people to my post to be engaged. And after that we have got this one where you can put a value, so that you can track that this traffic came from this campaign. That's it. So now we are done. We have created everything, we set everything up. Now it's time to click on publish to publish the ad. So if I click on publish, here we go, publishing 1 of 3, so it's gonna be 3 now. And let's wait a few seconds. Here we go, the ad, as you can see, multiple items published, 1 campaign, 1 ad set, and 1 ad were published. Now if I click on view details, you can see the details right here. Let's click on done, and if I cross this out, and here we go, now the status has changed to processing. And if I reload this page, we might going to see the processing again. Okay, so it's in review, And usually it takes from 15 to 20 minutes sometimes, and sometimes it takes a few hours, and sometimes for some cases it takes a few days, like 1 or 2 days, to get an ad approved and start showing to people. So if I reload this page, for my case it have been very good, like within 5 minutes, 10 minutes the ads are being active. So if I reload this page again, let's see if it is getting active. No, it's on under review, but that's perfectly fine. So this was the process how you can promote a post, page, or a video through Facebook Meta ad campaign, step by step. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. And if you have found this video helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel to learn more about digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.